What's going on, everybody? Welcome back by the channel. If you're new here, my name is Will. And of course, this is my fiance, Riza. Say hello, honey.
Hello, everyone.
She's still abroad. Hopefully, I can have her here in about another month and a half, 2 months. Fingers crossed. It's been a long journey. We've had about 4 years in a long distance relationship, and we're ready to get our life off pause. But hey, today's video is going to be about the Mavic 3 and its capability to shoot at night using its night mode. I haven't seen a whole lot about this particular topic on YouTube, but recently I traveled to Charlotte, North Carolina, which in fact will actually be the city that she will actually fly into when she does get to come over. And I did some nighttime photography, took a little video, and I think it turned out pretty good. Um, like I said, not as a lot is said about this particular feature on this drone. I know a lot of probably photographers don't like it because it uses its own little software AI to adjust the picture and clear it up. But all that being said, guys, let's take a look at the video and just see what you think. And of course, like always, drop me some comments down below and tell me whether you like it or you don't like it. But all that being said, let's get the video started. All right, guys, what'd you think? I thought it turned out pretty good. I really had a great time shooting it, and you know, the city is very beautiful at night. So please drop me some comments down below and let me know what you think. But like I say, I thought it turned out pretty good. I'm a big fan of the night mode on this particular drone, and I'm a big fan of DJI products. So I'm a little bit biased, but I liked it, and I thought it did a phenomenal job for what it is. But appreciate you guys staying around to the end, and we're gonna cut out of here, and hopefully she will be over here soon in person, and we will stop having to do these iPad appearances. We can have some in-person shows. Does that sound good to you, honey?
Yeah, see you soon.
She's very shy. She doesn't say a whole lot, but she doesn't know. Wait till she gets here and I start putting her on camera more. I'm sure you guys would rather see her than to see me. So, with all that said, I'm out of here. She's out of here. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.